Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So, hey guys, and welcome in this video where we'll show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So, first of all, we have here in Google Play Temu, so you can just search about it. Then we have here buy as a millionaire. We have here over than $100 million, so you have just to install, or you can use also the browser and dive into temu.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here several products with a cheap price. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. So if you want to become an affiliate program, all you have to do is just scroll down and click over affiliate and influencer. So but before that, you have just to know that make money on Temu by reselling products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable ventures. So you can just tell people once you start with the Temu by clicking on the link and you get $100 and you buy whatever you want, or also you can share it with other followers or other fans or other people. So right now all I have to do is click over affiliate and influencer, earn a commission, and you will find this page. As you can see, we have here various information. We have here affiliate and influencer program first. Then we have here earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. Earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So you click over here to get started. Then we have other information like here, power affiliates, tailored benefits for every profile. For this one, we have authorized influencers and we have here websites. About the first one, we have as a user authorized through our platform, enjoy a range of benefits including we have 20% commission, generous commission rates on orders, abundant credits, access a wealth of credits for additional perks, user download bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. Then we have websites here. As a registered website affiliate, enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. High commission rates benefit from generous commission rates on orders. Tailored benefits, adjustable commissions that match your performance. Then if we scroll down, we have also other things. So we have here over than 300,000 people have joined us. Then if we scroll down, we have here affiliate extra rewards. So we have a day win per week earn, and we have revolve extra rewards. About this one, we have $100 coupon bundle, so it's very important. New app users can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial download. Then we have free gifts here. New app users maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. Then we have the last information, which is how to start with the Temu affiliate program. The first step we have here join, enlist in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have share here, strategically share your link, code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have the last step, which is earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So right now I will show you how you can share your link and convince people to click over your link. So we have the first step, it's TikTok. So to earn money on Temu through TikTok, start by creating a catchy videos that showcase popular products. Highlight special deals, unboxing, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Then engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Then use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. So As viewers click on your link and make purchases, you'll earn commissions on those sales. For example, here we have Temu Haul. As you can see, you don't need to show your face, or you can just show the products, as you can see, and then you advise people to click over the link. As you can see, you can also use your face. And that's it for TikTok, and let's move into Pinterest. So to earn money on Temu through Pinterest, you have just to create visually Apple pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link in the pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion, or also jewelry, clothes, summer, girly, home, grunge, preppy. Then regularly update your reports with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have Reddit. To earn money on Temu or Reddit, you have just to join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items and include your affiliate link. Following subreddit rules, engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have create content. So to earn money on Chimo through Instagram or YouTube, start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. So first we have on Instagram, you have just to post a catchy photos or reel featuring Timo items and include your affiliate link in your bio. Then we have YouTube here. You have just create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, placing your affiliate link in the video description, use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility, engage with your audience by responding comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu by creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links. You can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and stay updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn social media presence into a profitable venture. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business tips, tutorials, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to have all of your help. So have a fantastic day ahead.